So I am back, guys, with another video. I'm actually headed to Crumbl Cookies right now because if you watch my last vlog, I told you guys that the microphone didn't come with instructions on what cord to use when you are, I gotta get a, I'm sorry, random thought, but I gotta get a goddamn camera holder for the car because this ain't it. But either way, like I said, I'm headed over to Crumbl Cookies because the last time I got it, I recorded the whole vlog and I ended up having to do a voiceover when I was reviewing the cookies, and it just made me mad because I was like, that was the first day I had conquered my fear with vlogging in person, and you can't even hear me doing like my review of Crumbl Cookies and nothing like that. So this time I have the right cord in because, you know, I did my research, because they don't tell you that one of the cords go to a phone when you're using this microphone and the other one goes to your actual camera. So this go round I am going back to Crumbl Cookies and we're gonna do another one, but this time you guys are gonna hear me. I'm not doing a voiceover. So I do not promote texting and driving, really so much not holding a camera and recording and driving either. So I am going to talk to you guys when I get there. So I got my cookies, guys. I went ahead and I got, I believe that's the Nutter Butter one. Hold on, y'all can barely see, huh? I got Nutter Butter. I got the sea salt toffee again because, oh my gosh, guys, that one is so good. We got Snickerdoodle because my husband, I can smell the cinnamon coming off of it right now. It smells so good. And this one is s'mores. So we're gonna give these ones a try. Whew. I already know they're gonna be good because when I went back the last time, my husband doesn't know this though, but I went back another time and I had a raspberry cheesecake one. When I tell you I wanted to smack my grandma.
Kay don't want to be cute, and she and then like, hey mama, and then be like, oops.
Okay, so which one you want to try first? You want to do sea salt caramel, or do you want to start with Nutter Butter? I think I got what you got.
What you mean you got what I got?
I feel like you're gonna try this one last.
Duh.
Make sure you're in it this time, because the last time you weren't in it.
Sound like you need to make sure I'm in it.
Didn't I just say that? Sea salt caramel coffee. I'm glad it's not like a dry cookie.
It tastes good. The texture changes bothers me.
No. No, I think the s'mores one had like a graham cracker like base. Like an actual graham cracker base.
That's a big ass chocolate chip.
Yeah, it's thick like a s'more too. Definitely a s'more without the mess.
You want a shot of water too?
Yes, please. Oh wow. Yummy. That's Nutter Butter. I like Nutter Butter cookies, so this better be good. Time for the peanut butter.
I don't want that.
Nutter Butter. Okay, well, I'll try it then. That's a Nutter Butter, but times 10.
Okay, good though.
But it's a lot of peanut butter.
Is it thick?
You need some milk. And last but not least, Snickerdoodle. Oh wow. Made my mouth tickle. It's good. That's good. Wow. Alright. Say, I'm gonna go with mommy. And we gonna cook din din. See, we gonna cook din din. I guess I'll let you guys watch me do that. So, let's go ahead and go cook some din din. We season the water around here. How to come on it you know, because we don't want no hair in the food. But I'm going to show you guys the aftermath of dinner because I don't feel like keeping my camera on right now. Okay. Oh, but I do gotta say this before I go. For all y'all that be like, how else do you make sweet potato sweet? Okay, because we don't use marshmallows around here. What is that? We don't do that. I'm gonna show you what you use. You use cinnamon, okay? Honey, vanilla, nutmeg, molasses, syrup, brown sugar, and then you know you season like normal. Salt, pepper, a little bit of garlic, a little bit of onion. Okay, hear me out before y'all go into, oh girl, we're not doing that. Until you taste it and try it, don't say it's nasty. But we're not doing marshmallows. And as far as the mac and cheese, because I know some people do put eggs in theirs. Unfortunately, Cam is allergic to eggs, and however, I also don't do that. Boil that water first, because we're not going to let the macaroni sit in that water and get mushy and nasty. Let it boil first, then drop it in with your seasoned water. Then, you know, you layer. You got to layer first, because we're going to mix it in with some Velveeta cheese, block cheese. And then we're going to put a little bit of mustard. Just hear me out on the mustard. Some of you probably like mustard. Add a little, that small little zing that you're like, ooh, what is that? When you taste it, I'm like, just know. You'll hear Cam in the background. He's dramatic. There's nothing wrong with him. He's a Cancer, okay? He's just on the other end of the spectrum of Cancer. He's the crybaby one. Kaden is the man. Yeah. That's not how you help cook, Nay.